Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to flash Bitcoin BTC. You know as it is, as they go. So how to flash the BTC using this Xverse Bitcoin wallet. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, head over to your app store, download this app, Xverse Wallet. So once you are done downloading the app, this is the app Xverse. Once you are done downloading the app, open the app and create an account. Very easy. So create a new account. Just click on create a new account. If you have an account already, you can still use it. Doesn't mean, but for the first time you need to create an account. So click on accept, backup data, understand. So you can set the password and click on continue. Confirm the password. So once you confirm the password is set. So continue. So once you are on this page now, you can see now we have no BTC. This thing doesn't require a lot of settings. Doesn't need much set. Doesn't need switching stuff. So just switch for this place that settings logo is. Just click it. Once you click these settings, you see this mainnet. This mainnet, you change it to testnet. That is what you have to do. Just that. After you change it to testnet, save it. Okay, they are requiring your password. Verify. Then click on verify. Now the thing that has switched to testnet, this is where the sweet part is now. So after you have changed it to testnet, so to flash Bitcoin to your client, maybe now, you know what, I'll be flashing Bitcoin to this my wallet so that I can use it. To flash Bitcoin now, just need to do this your receive your wallet address and click on BTC. This BTC confirm one. No be this one is not something that I'll be telling you it doesn't work. This really works. It's only for Bitcoin alone. Note, it's only for Bitcoin. It's only for this wallet, this Xverse wallet. Hope you understand. So once you copy your wallet, head over to this site. This is the site we'll be using to fund our BTC. So it's very easy to use. This is the site I'll be using to fund our BTC. I'll be pasting the link, but I won't be revealing it. It is available if you need it. So once you are on the site, it's very easy. Just paste your BTC wallet and fund it. I have this Xverse wallet on my other phone, my Android phone, so I can still use that part to do this tutorial. I can send it to this BTC wallet that I just created here on my iPhone. But let's use this site because this is the main site that will be giving you the BTC. And this site has daily limit. You understand? It has the amount of BTC can accumulate daily. So let's go and copy our BTC wallet. So this is it. After copying it, head back to the site and input it, paste it. Once you paste it, you can see it now. The site will give you 0.005 BTC. So click on get BTC. Once you click on get BTC, you can see it. Transaction details, it has been funded. So let's head back to our site. Let's head back to our Xverse wallet and check it has reflect and check it. So let's click on the BTC. You can see it now. It's receiving the the money is pending. It's network this thing, as BTCB. Too much of network this thing on it. If you know what I'm saying, you can even see that the thing is showing receiving pending, which give you assurance that the money is already on this wallet. It's just a network this thing that that happens in Bitcoin network. So just chill to reflect. And guys, so while we are waiting for this, I can still use my other wallet, my Android, because I have this Xverse on my Android. So I'll send Bitcoin into it. I'll send Bitcoin from that wallet to this wallet to see how it is and see how the money will be fled. So let's do that too. I've already copied. Let's just copy the wallet address. Let's copy the wallet address. Save and copy the wallet address. So you can see now, after refreshing, you can see that there is another one that is coming, that is incoming. This is the one that I told that I want to send. So just know that the money will reflect on this page. You can see the money now. Money has reflected. The one I sent, you can see it has the one I sent and the one that I sent from the site. This is the one I sent from the site, 0.005, and this one I sent to these two wallets. For let me do it for. Let me just use example. Let me do example again. Let me create another wallet. Let me create another wallet. Okay, let me create another account. You can see. Let me create another. So I've created another account. You can see I'm creating another account. You can see that we have no funds in this second account. So I'll be flashing from this account one. In case you want to flash your client now, you just tell your client to download this Xverse Wallet. You want to flash your client BTC. You know BTC is a big name. It's a big crypto. It's the number one crypto in the whole world. So the client will like, oh wow, thank you for investment, for anything, for any client that want to know that they have greediness, like all those clients that all those kind of things. So I can't talk too much here. So you can use it for many purposes. Please don't use it for illegal purposes. This video is for educational purpose. So like this now, you can see the Bitcoin. This one is not something like they create all this thing. I'm sending Bitcoin. It is real BTC wallet. So let's say I want to send from this account one to account two. Maybe this is your client wallet now that just created. Just copy it. Just tell him or her to copy the wallet and you just go back to your own account that you have funds. You just send it. Very easy. Once you send it, paste the wallet. So it's not something that will take time. Click on next. Like 0.0 point, just there is already zero there, so just write dot and just press the point 00. Let's flash 001. So once you flash that amount, you see the amount. Once you click on next, you can see it now. 0.0001 BTC is equivalent to $11. So let's click on confirm. Then you put your password, or if you use your fingerprint or any other biometric security stuff. So let me put my password. So once you put your password, you click on it and you see it. Boom, very sharp. You can see it. So even have transaction history. You can see it very sharp. You can screenshot it and tell your client you have sent it, and the client will be receiving. You receive the money in his wallet. You can see it. The money hasn't gone through. That is why it's still here. You see it's still showing sending, which is pending. So let's go back to your own second this thing. Let's see it. To reflect, just calm down. So let's see it. You can see it now. It's showing pending. That is it. Very sharp. So after some few minutes, you will receive the coin. You receive the coin. So you receive the coin. It's not something that you won't receive. You will surely receive it. You see the money. Very showing properly at dollar rate, at good rate. It's not that something that we'll be doing, will be like, you know. So if you enjoy this video so far, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss my updates. You know, I like to drop different updates in this YouTube channel. And if you have not joined my Telegram channel, please join, because there are more updates in that group and my WhatsApp channel. So see you next in my next video. Thank you guys.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.